This is Travis with Tugs Rugs, and we're talking about Tugs Rugs today and how it got started. So how it got started was our 15-year-old son. He came to me and mom and he was like, hey, I think I want to start a rug business. So we was like, what do you mean a rug business? So he showed us some things on TikTok and Instagram of people making rugs. So he was inspired by other rug tufters. So guess what, me and mom went out and we got him all the supplies that he need, and then he started. And then it went viral overnight. When I tell you viral overnight, it went viral overnight. It went up to probably like 1 million something views, 60,000 shares, and orders started rolling in and rolling in. And we had to turn this thing into a family business. But with all the orders coming in, Travis got overwhelmed. And guess what? He didn't want to do no rugs no more. So I guess we had to take over this Travis. So now here I am doing these rugs. Let's talk about how Tugs Rugs is doing now. So my inbox be going crazy on Instagram and Facebook from people all around the world. I'm talking about Trinidad, Jamaica, Canada, New Zealand, like, man, everywhere. I have some a lady in South Africa, man. We became close friends, you know. They hit me up with ideas, or they hit me up with problems that they have, so I can help them do their rugs. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing now, man. I'm teaching them, other people around the world, with my YouTube channel. So right now I started a YouTube channel, and that's where everybody is coming to. They come into my YouTube channel, they're telling me that my videos are very educational to them. So they actually making rugs just from my videos. So I guess I'm doing well with teaching them, straight from the videos. We're not just influencing on social media. I'm actually now doing in-person classes. I had a mom hit me up telling me that her 12-year-old wanted to start a rug business because he watched all my YouTube videos. So he watched every single one. I was like, oh my gosh, that's crazy. I was blown away. So I met with him, showed him them ropes. His first time ever, blew the rug out of the park. Man, the rug came out great. So now I showed him how to get all his materials. So he got his tufting gun, he got the backing, he got everything to go. So now he's starting a rug business. So now he have a Instagram that he has is Chasing Rugs. You can follow him on Instagram and Facebook at Chasing Rugs. Also, man, I have people from around the world that's hitting me up wanting to do classes. So I had a woman from Houston, Texas. I'm located in Omaha, Nebraska, y'all. But Houston, Texas, she wanted to fly in to do a tufting class. That blows me away. So my long-term goal is to start doing a lot of traveling, doing some collaboration with other tufters, so hey, that's what I want to do. If you have any cool designs that you want to be created into a rug, or even if you want to become a tufter, go ahead and hit me up on all my social media platforms so you can become a master tufter.